Hello and welcome back to the channel. So glad that you've joined us today. We're back in my kitchen and I am going to show you a super easy, delicious way to make rice in a pressure cooker. So I have made rice on the stovetop. I have made rice in a rice cooker. The results in the pressure cooker are so much better than anywhere else. I'm going to show you how to do it today. I'm Dawn, and I'm living the Newcomb life. So I'm going to show you right here. This is super quick and easy and delicious. Your ratio of rice to water is, for instance, if you're doing 1 cup of rice, you would do 1 1/4 cups of water. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure out 4 cups. I'm making a big, like a fried rice. So we are going to take our rice and we're going to measure out 4 cups of rice. Some people rinse their rice. I do not. But if you wanted to rinse your rice, you could do that. 2, 3, and 4. So then what you want to do, very simply, is you want to take some type of oil. It can be vegetable oil, could be canola oil, can be what we use is avocado oil. And so you want to do 1 tablespoon per cup of rice. So I put 4 cups of rice in my pressure cooker. So I have 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. And I'm going to pour this over my rice, just kind of around all over the rice. And then I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to just stir the rice to distribute the oil. And you will see the rice gets covered with the oil. This helps seal in the firmness of the rice and helps the rice to not stick together. This is one of the tricks that makes this rice amazing. So I have 5 cups of water here because, like I said, it's 1 1/4 cups of water for every cup of rice that I put in here. So now at this point, if you wanted to add some salt or add some garlic salt or garlic powder or chicken bouillon or whatever you wanted to add to this, you can do that at this point. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the lid of our pressure cooker and we are going to lock it in so we're all locked in. This will work with a Instant Pot or any other type of pressure cooker. We happen to have a Power Pressure Cooker XL. This is a 10 quart pressure cooker. It's large, but works great for us. We can can in it as well. So that's why we have the larger canner or pressure cooker. So I want to move this to sealing so that our pressure cooker will come up to full pressure. I am going to, so on mine has some presets. What we want to do is we want to cook this rice for 3 minutes on high pressure. And then when the pressure cooker goes off after the 3 minutes, we're going to let it 10-minute slow release. And that's all there is to it, guys. So I am going to hit on my my pressure cooker. I can hit the fish vegetable steam and then adjust the time for 1 minute. So now I have 3 minutes on my pressure cooker and it will take a few minutes to come up to pressure. Okay, so our pressure cooker came up to pressure. It went for 3 minutes. We are now going to do a slow release, which means I have not touched anything. We're just going to let the air release itself for 10 minutes. I'm going to set a 10-minute timer and we'll come back after those 10 minutes. Alexa, please set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so we have slow released for 10 minutes. Now there is still pressure in this pressure cooker, So we need to let out the remaining pressure. I'm gonna slide it forward so it doesn't shoot up the front of my cabinets. And we're gonna open the seal and let it come out. There's really not that much pressure remaining in there, but you do have to release that. As you can see, this little button here is still up. So we have to wait until that drops before we can open the top of the pressure cooker. And there we go. Okay, so now we can open our pressure cooker. You can see it's real simple to open. There is quite a bit of steam still in the pressure cooker. And so you can see, look at how beautiful this rice is. It's beautiful. And so we are going to make some fried rice with this. So that is a simple, easy way to make the best rice, in my opinion. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like these type of videos, please hit the subscribe button and come on back for more videos. And we will see you on the next one.